Hi.
We're here commiserating with the big dog. Oh, Blue. It's just not fair.
Is that it?
It's so not fair that you're big and that the little dog is little and that all that you really want in this world is to be little. And you get left at home and sitting in the car and waiting. Yeah.
What the kitty cat?
Well, the little dog gets to go in the coffee shop and in the Mexican restaurant, and he gets to do whatever he wants, and he gets to be with me.
And the kitty gets to snuggle with you?
Yeah.
See, you move the camera away for a second.
I know. And the second I move the camera away, then you make the barfy sound.
Well, you're leaning on it pretty heavy.
Mom, look.
It's not fair.
Use